Ever heard a developer say, "It works on my machine," only for it to crash on someone else's computer? Frustrating, right? That's where Docker comes in. Imagine never worrying about environment differences again. Docker makes it possible. Docker packages your app with everything it needs: code, libraries, and settings into a container. Think of it as a portable box for your app, ensuring it runs the same everywhere. No more "it works on my machine, but not on yours." With Docker, developers save hours on debugging and can focus on writing code that works everywhere. Containers are lightweight and fast. Unlike bulky virtual machines, Docker containers start instantly and use fewer resources, making collaboration seamless. Docker makes apps portable and predictable. Move containers across machines or clouds without breaking anything. It speeds up deployment and enhances reliability. So next time someone says, "It works on my machine," smile and say, "Docker makes it work anywhere." It's the tool that brings consistency and speed to development.